Hello everyone, just here with a quick reveal of my Valentine coffee bar. Wanted to do a quick share and let you know where everything came from. So this is the whole complete coffee bar from the top of the shelf all the way down. My mug wall and the top of my buffet that my coffee bar is on. I absolutely love how it turned out this year. So let's do a closer look and I'll show you where everything came from. So just a walk in. So way up on the top shelf, the February the 14th, that was one of the DIYs that I made last year, maybe the year before. The XO shaker shadow box is from Dollarama. The little jar of hearts was also from Dollarama. And on each end of that shelf, I just have my Rae Dunn birdhouses. I only have two. The next shelf down, I have my dark navy blue teapot and my white steep teapot. The steep is Rae Dunn. The tea is just a decal that I added. And then the love, the little love standing sign, and the XOXO standing sign are the wood 1-inch wood pieces that you got from Dollarama last year, and I just painted those. Then the plate that says Je t'aime, that's from Dollarama this year. The little angel with the rose in it was a gift from my husband last year. Home is Where My Story Begins came from Dollarama this year. Always and Forever, Dollarama last year, I think. And then this is just a little mason jar with some cinnamon hearts and a ribbon tied around. I believe the ribbon's from Dollarama as well. So now we're going to move down to the top of my mug wall. And the banner is the banner that I made last year, and these are the wooden pieces from Dollarama and some torn fabric that I picked up. I think it was from Dollarama as well. When they do the little sometimes they have just the little squares of fabric, and I think I picked up two that were the same and used the two matching pieces to do the little rag part of that little banner. So that's there. The heart mugs are also from Dollarama. So that's down the wall. And I believe that coffee bar sign is also from Dollarama. So I have the red curry coffee pot because that's what my husband bought me. And I have my Tim Hortons hot chocolate. I have two little gray canisters that say coffee, and I just wrote decaf and regular on the top, and that's what we kind of hide our coffee pods in because we have the reusable coffee pods. Then I've got some little dessert dishes. We love these because if we have a cookie with our hot chocolate or our coffee or tea, the plates are right here. And then a little bit more Rae Dunn. I have all the goodies just in mason jars. So these are the lids from the shaker cheese. I can't remember what brand the red ones come from because the different ones have different colors. But this little mason jar has marshmallows and then sugar, then some sweetener in this one, and some creamer, coffee creamer in that one. And then over here to my tiered tray. I think my tiered tray turned out really good this year. I love it. So I made the tiered tray, and I'll link some of the videos below. So I'll link the video where I made the tiered tray and where I did my Valentine's DIY'S. So the You Are My Bucket List sign with the little ribbon heart, or the little ribbon bow on there that says love. I made that maybe the year before last. I have this little girl gnome, this little boy gnome. They were last year at Dollarama. And then I just have a little mason jar with a ribbon around it. So the little red bird with the pink heart wing from Dollarama, they had multiple ones. And of course the little pink with the red wing, also from Dollarama. So they were last year, I think. Also the signs, so the heart signs, Dollarama. See the little bell down there that says ring for a hug? I picked that up this year. But they had them last year as well, and I picked up the ring for a kiss. So I've got ring for a kiss and ring for a hug. And I think I'm going to tip this just off to the side like that so that I can see it. And I also have the two little gnomes at the front that are the ceramic gnomes from 2 years ago at Dollarama. And then last year, I think, might have even been 2 years ago, I made the little pockets on these embroidery hoops that say love you more, and they were using Dollarama products as well. So this is what my coffee bar looks like from the top. The chicken and rooster, it's actually a metal sign. That was from the Great Canadian Dollar Store. So yeah, I love how this turned out this year. So I'll put a link in the description box to past videos showing how I made my Valentine DIYs. And I also put a link there to my Amazon store so that you can see all the favorite things I like in my crafting, my paper crafting, and my planning, as well as my decorating. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd love if you did that before you left, as well as giving this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. That's the best thing you can do to help my channel. And I'll see everyone in the next one. Until then, bye-bye for now, everyone. Have a wonderful day.